Close quote. This means the game can't connect to the online service profile servers. Let's fix it step by step. Fix Gears of War Reloaded online service error, failed to retrieve online profile. 1. Check server status. Sometimes it's not you. Servers may be down. Check Xbox Live status. Please open your app to see this link, in PlayStation Network status. Please open your app to see this link. If servers are fine, continue below. Sign out and resign into Microsoft Xbox account. Exit the game. On PC, open Xbox app, Microsoft Store. Sign out, sign back in with the same account you use in-game. On PS5, PS4, go to Settings, Account Management, sign out, restart console, sign back in. Step 3. Clear cached credentials. On PC, press Win-R, Control key mgr.dll, remove saved credentials for xboxlive.com or Gears of War. On PlayStation, go to Settings, Users and Accounts, Login Settings, clear saved credentials. 4. Reset network settings. PC, run command prompt as admin, type, you can see the code in our conversation history. Restart PC. Console, go to Settings, Network, set up internet connection. Switch to a wired connection if possible. Change DNS to Google, primary 8x8.8.8, secondary 8x8.44. *5. Relink Microsoft and PlayStation accounts. Go to account.xbox.com. Please open your app to see this link. Make sure your PSN is linked correctly. If it says already linked but still fails, unlink and relink. 6. Delete local save profile cache. On PC, go to Set Local App Data / Gears of War Reloaded, delete the profile / cache folder. On console, go to Settings, Storage, Save Data, Gears of War Reloaded, delete local data. Don't worry, your progress is cloud synced. Task 7. Firewall antivirus exception. Add Gears of War Reloaded.exe to exceptions in your firewall antivirus. Also allow Xbox networking services through firewall. 8. Test Xbox networking PC only. Press Wins-I Gaming, Xbox networking. Run the test. If it shows Torito is blocked or NAT issues, open Windows PowerShell admin run. You can see the code in our conversation history. Restart PC. After these steps, most players fix the failed to retrieve online profile error and get multiplayer working.